Now, this is a very important question. Where are you now when it comes to your goals? Nasaan ka na ngayon? Here's the idea. When you go up, when you're trying to grow, and maybe growth means a lot of things. That's why what we want is, number one, what we want is clarity. Number one, clarity with what do you want? Again. And if you're enjoying something, like even if it's just something small, just enjoy it. You know, you could be enjoying Pokemon cards and it's okay. Like imagine how affordable is your enjoyment. Do you get my point? It's like some people have the money already. Ang daming may pera. Ang daming may pera kahit magkasino, di pa rin masaya. Daming may pera kahit maubos ang pera nila sa scatter, di pa rin masaya. Right? Pero kung ikaw kung masaya ka sa pagkain, go for it. Di ba, Danny? Go for it, Danny. You know? Don't hold back. Eat more so you can do more. Tama ba, Len? You know? Content challenge na ngayon, hindi na weight challenge. Right? So it's this as small as what? Like, what do you want? Now, this is important, guys. Babalikan ko lang. Review lang tayo. What do you want and need? You have to be clear. Do you need food? Do you need shelter? Do you need clothes? Do you need, of course, oxygen? Next is where. Now, this is a very important question. Where are you now when it comes to your goals? Nasaan ka na ngayon? Because this will serve as your GPS. So if you're studying Success Blueprint, I strongly recommend you take it seriously or you go back to day 1 knowing this. It is your GPS. Like, kaya pala masakit. Sino dito yung minsan nasasaktan doon sa course? Yung mga assignments, all that, right? It's like, shh. That's why it's immersive. The course is not there to please you. The course is make you realize and to confront you na, uy, this is your goal, ang layo mo pa. You're too far from it and it's okay. But understand you're too far. Right? It's like it's good to know that. Like, who's familiar with Google Maps? Google Maps. Maps. Waze, right? So, ganito siya kasimple. Waze cannot give you the exact direction if your GPS is closed. Ano sabihin ni Waze? Open your GPS. Like, pwede mo akong tanongin, Sir MJ, paano ako makakapunta ng Power Talk? Ano tatanong ko? Saan ka ba galing? Baka mamaya galing ka Surigao. Malay ko. Sakay ka ng jeep, papuntang Cubao. Wala namang Cubao doon sa Surigao. Nagigets? So I have to know nasaan ka muna. I have to know where you are first. You with me still? It's the GPS. And people will ask me, it's like Sir MJ, gaano kabilis? How fast can I achieve my goals in Success Blueprint? Like, just do day 1 first. Just move forward first. Hakbang ka muna. Ayaw humakbang. Paano ko malalaman? Kuwento. Sabay-sabay yan. Kuwento! May isang babae. Pangalan, Danny. Right? May isang babae. Pangalan, Dinary. The mother of the dragons. Saan pa sila punta sila ng Kuala Lumpur. They are traveling in Kuala Lumpur. Right? And there's like a really, really huge staircase and mountain na sobrang ganda raw sa taas, but it's foggy. Right? It's foggy. Ngayon may matanda doon, pangalan sa Adrian. Right? May matanda sa Adrian, no? Ngayon sabi ni Dinary, Manong. Kuya, gaano katagal ba bago makarating sa tuktok? Sigurista si Dinary. Sigurista siya. Sagot ni Adrian, humakbang ka muna. Hindi nga po, bago ako humakbang, before I take the effort, bago ako masayang yung pagod ko, kailangan, alam ko kung gaano kabilis. Gaano po ba katagal bago marating yun? Humakbang ka nga muna. Okay, joke lang. Nag-walk out na si Dinary, ayaw ko kumis eh. Ew, okay? Biglang dumating si Danny. Right? Kasi, napag-alaman nilang dalawa, pagdating sa tuktok, meron dong only chicken wings. Only wings, only rice. Only everything, right? So ngayon, sabi ni Danny, gano'ng katagal bago ako makarating? Like, how long will it take me to go there? Ano sabi? Hakbang muna. Take the first step. Hakbang ka muna. Si Danny, syempre gusto niya yung reward eh. Right? She's waiting eh, right? Humakbang siya. Ano sabi nung ni Adrian? 15 minutes and 2 days. Okay. So ngayon, bumalik si Dinary. Sabi niya, Kuya, bakit sinabi mo sa kanya, sa akin hindi? Sabi ni Adrian, how can I give you the exact time kung hindi ko pa nakikita gaano kalaki yung hakbang mo? You have to show me how you move first so that I can give you an ETA. Are you with me still? Sa bottom line, I cannot give you the ETA kasi hindi pa kayo humahakbang. Yung iba sa inyo, and most of you, hindi nyo pa natatapos Success Blueprint. And most of you, maliban doon, hindi nyo siya masyadong naiintindihan. So ngayon, ang Success Blueprint is just pure awareness for you. For you to understand na, okay, ang bagal ko pala humakbang. Okay, the main reason why I cannot achieve what I want is because I'm always triggered. I don't like hearing words. Sino dito may nasabing salita sa'yo, buong maghapon, bagsak ka na. Sino dito? Sinabihan ka ng, there are trigger words. Right? Ayaw natin masabihan tayo ng bobo, ng tanga. We don't want to be called dumb or stupid. We don't want to be called, thin or fat or, may ayaw tayo marinig. Tama. Right? We don't want that. Right? We don't want to hear that. But the thing is, sometimes, even if it's your trigger word and you're still not over it, kahit payat ka na, natitrigger ka pa rin eh. Tama ako ba? Ako ba yung sinasabihin niya? Kahit di siya para sa'yo. Are you with me still? But if you're over that, if you're confident now, if you understand yourself na, not anymore. That's not me. That's not who I am. That was me before. Now you get clarity. Those are what we call the pattern of language. Meaning, where you are, dapat gets mo to. This is also clarity for you. Clarity with how you think again. We're just going back. And it's really important. It's like, while you're walking here, while you are, okay, imagine an ideal day. Imagine an ideal day where you feel like really, really strong. Right? Can you guys breathe that way? It's like, ano yung feeling kapag strong ka? How would it feel? How would you breathe? And how would you think? Imagine an ideal day where you feel really confident, with how you walk. Pwedeng paglabas mo ng bahay, birds flying high, you know how I feel. Diba? Pinag mo, Michael Bublé ka, right? You have your ties, sun in the sky, you know how I feel. No? O kaya para kang talangka, no? Pag naglakad ka, no? Breathe, patagilid, no? But bottom line, it's like this is an amazing day. You feel confident. For some reason, you feel sexy. It's your favorite shirt. It's like your favorite shoes. You prayed, whatever. May nakain kang, ang tagal mo nang gustong kainin, right? It's an ideal day. Now, here's the question. Who among you here can already predict how your minds work? It's like your mind is thinking about creative stuff. Who among you here, like when you are confident, you are creative? Right? You could think of a lot of things to say, a lot of things to do. When content creation is not a challenge. Right? It's not a challenge. I'm so creative. It's like 30 days. I can do that in one day. Like 30 videos in one day. Right? You feel like you are immortal, right? Because you ate a lot of chicken wings. Chicken wings, right? Hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni. And then how do you feel? How would you feel? Ano yung feeling? It's like, who among you here have that day? I'm pretty sure, hindi naman siguro ganun kamiserable buhay natin, no? Na wala tayong kahit isang araw na masaya tayo. Like, meron yan. Right? Meron yan, no? Paglabas mo ng bahay, I feel good, di ba? You know that I wouldn't. So, you feel like really good. Like, iba yung feeling, parang kang champion, parang kang panalo ka ngayon, Hindi pa nagsisimula araw mo, panalo ka na. Right? And the question is, how would you move? Siyempre, iba ka umupo, no? Kahit walang upuan, naka-D4 ka. Right? So it's different. And that's what we want to make manifest. Because think about it. Just imagine, you having the ideal day, carrying, showing up as the ideal you, every single day for one whole year. Who among you can imagine the results already? Shit, because most of the time, maybe 20% of your days is an ideal day, yeah? That's the Pareto principle. What we want is to reverse that. Make it 80%. 20 lang yung hindi ka okay. And that 20 is not hindi okay. That 20 is like a self-love moment. That's why we have that in step 6, reward yourself, yeah? Learning. Learning. So that's what we want. So ibig sabihin, there's a certain you, a version of you, who can climb this mountain back and forth. Na-bored ka, no? Pabalik-balik ka na lang dyan. Just going back and forth. Why? Because you are really confident. You know what to do. You know exactly what you want, what to do, how to actually establish that energy. Because you understand the blueprint. And for all you know, most of us still doesn't have a blueprint even if we are enrolled. Huwag natin sayangin yung pera natin. Because even if I answer all your questions here, if you don't have a blueprint, sayang. So what we want is like to ensure that everyone here is building their own blueprint. Are you with me?